Back to J Lifeable. So today we're here at Soak and Splash 828 Alum Rock Road in Pelham. So here with good friend Adnan, and he's selling a lot of stuff like cutlery and bathroom stuff. But today we're here for especially for dates. He sells organic dates from Medina. So he's gonna give us a little brief tour of dates and tell us the prices. So make sure you come down here and help yourself. Ramadan starting in a couple of days, either tomorrow or Tuesday, and it's opening up tomorrow. Everything's opening up as well, so make sure you do come down. So Adnan, can you give us little prices and tell us what you're selling here?
This date is called Safai.
Safai, right?
But these are organic dates.
Yeah.
We have non-organic dates cost slightly cheaper, but they are organic dates. Plus, this is 1 kilo box. It
Yeah.
has a 1 kilo weight. Normally from local shop,
Yeah.
it has a 900 gram weight inside.
Okay, so this is full 1 kg, right?
Full 1 kg. They're more than 1 kg inside, but they won't be less.
Yeah.
And this one costs you £12
12
for a
pound.
kilo.
Yeah.
Also, we do the big boxes like this.
Yeah.
This is the different one. It's a different date, but like you can have 3 kg for that one, cost you £30.
Okay, so for sorry, what date was that again?
That's called Safai Kalmi,
Safai Kalmi 3 kg will cost you,
£30,
and 1 kg will be
£12.
12 pound. Nice. A bit of discount there for 3 kg.
So if you can get 1 3 kg share with your family and
Yeah.
friend.
Yeah.
Okay, then this is Medjool.
Majul, I love Majul.
This one 1 kg costs you £10.
Yeah.
But if you buy this one, you have a promotional price at the moment, 5 kg, one box,
Yeah.
it costs you £35.
Nice. Lovely.
I can show you the box if you want to. It's a big box.
Yeah. Right, go on.
This box
Yeah.
is 5 kg inside.
So that's Majul 5 kg.
Yeah, 5 kg Medjool. From Medina Organic.
Yeah.
And that costs you £35.
35 pound. Nice.
So if you buy 1 kilo, it's just £10.
Yeah.
And if you
It's a little.
buy a 5 kilo,
Yeah, quite a big discount there. So especially if you want to share it with your family, or give iftar, give it to your neighbors during iftar time.
if you come to for fasting, we can give you some trial as well.
Okay.
You can try them.
Yeah. So what we got, Adnan?
This is, their name is Sukri.
Sukri, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
If you take this one for 1 kilo,
Yeah.
back to £12.
Yeah.
And if you take 3 kilo at the comp box,
Yeah.
that costs you £30.
So 12 pound for 1 kg, and 3 kg is 30 pound.
Yeah.
So that's a bit of discount there as well.
Plus this one, another call is called Barni Ice.
Barni.
Barni dates. The name is Barni. The two main one.
Okay, Burmi dates. Okay.
If you take 1 kilo, it's
Yeah.
£10. We do have 1 kilo packing.
Yeah.
And if you take 3 kilo, it's £25.
So what's the difference between, like, why is the speciality of some of these different dates, or what's so good about this?
These days they mention some of the hadith.
Okay.
Prophet used to eat this
Salam.
hadith as well.
Yeah.
As I heard from the supplier.
Yeah.
That's why when he brought it, they sent it from Medina. Because it says Prophet used to use this Kajour as well.
Okay.
If you take this one 3 kilo box,
Yeah.
it costs you cheaper for £25. If you take 1 kilo, it costs you £10 for 1 kilo.
Okay. Again, discount there.
Okay, then this is Amber.
Amber, yeah.
Yeah.
Looks nice.
This is proper large days, proper big size.
Yeah.
If you take 1 kilo,
Yeah.
it's £15.
Okay.
And if you take 3 kilo, it's £35.
That's nice. They look really nice.
The proper big size as well.
Yeah. Yeah. That's what I like.
We have kilo available.
Okay.
And then 3 kilo and 5 kilo we have as well. This one, Mabroom.
Okay.
Mabroom.
Mabroom.
Same back to here. If you take 1 kilo, it's £15. And if you take 3 kilo, it goes back to £35.
Okay.
Because between the 1 kilo packing, they're costing us more.
Yeah.
So we have to go to slightly higher price.
Sure.
So 3 kilo, £35.
Yeah.
And 1 kilo, £15.
Nice.
Also we have the main Kajour, which we forget,
What I'm here for.
Medjool. Sorry, not Medjool.
Ajwa. Yeah.
If you take 1 kilo,
Yeah.
it's organic date,
Yeah.
it costs you £20.
Right.
And if you take 3 kilo, it costs you £40.
Okay. That's a big discount there.
You buy in 3 kilo when you're buying, then you can share with your family and
Yeah.
friends.
That's right.
So 3 kilo, £40.
Yeah.
And 1 kilo, it costs you £20.
Each. Yeah.
If you're taking the smaller box, we do have 5 kilo box. That's cost you around £12.
Okay.
But these are 1 kilo weight. When you're picking it from local shop,
Yeah.
it has a less weight inside.
Yeah.
They make a packing nice.
Yeah, yeah.
So you're thinking costing cheaper, but they're not costing cheaper because they have a less weight.
So you're actually giving 1 kg full weight.
Full
why?
weight.
Why
If you
mentions?
want to weight this one, the more than 1 kg,
Yeah.
it will be less.
Okay.
Also, we have some prayer mat as well. Let me bring that one out for you, show you as well.
Adnan, you also have a praying mats here. They look quite nice, big and quite fluffy.
Yeah. We also carry in a different color. We have a green.
Yeah.
We have like the red.
Yeah.
And we have like brown.
Yeah. So you got brown and you got like a creamish color
There are £6 each.
and pink.
And the pink color. We have a £6 each and
Yeah.
2 for £10.
Nice. Yeah.
Also, we do some attar as well for the male and female.
Yeah.
We have around 6 different flavors. In total, we have too many.
Yeah.
We only bring the 6 first
Sure.
seller and the good looking one as well.
Okay, Adnan. No, thank you for this. And guys, remember, right? Tomorrow, 12th, everything back opening
From
again.
Monday to Friday, Monday to Saturday.
Yeah.
Saturday 9 till 6.
Yeah. So make sure you come down there. Brothers got quality stuff here, and it's very well priced as well. So it's not expensive at all. So that's, remember, here, Soak and Splash, Alum Rock Road, 88A, in Birmingham, Pelham, and contact number 0121 243 2303.
Take my mobile number as well.
And what's your mobile number, Adnan?
It's 07
Yeah,
82
yeah,
84
yeah,
8
yeah,
99
yeah. 33. Yeah, once again, thank you guys. Make sure you join us, and remember, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, do, and share this video with your friends and family, and come down there. Thank you and goodbye.